So yeah, Dave, what I find interesting here is we'll just walk down here, but Scott, he just told us that this is the row where they just put chemical fertilizer down, and you've got green, but notice especially how your weeds are just growing tall and high, you know, because it's just all the nitrates on the surface there.
Yeah.
These rows here were just left over. He didn't do anything at all to that. He just replanted them from last year's stuff. Well, you can see that the 1X definitely doesn't have enough of nitrogen in it or organic matter to go 2 years. And this one here, he took his 1X, the 1X fertilizer, OrganiLock, and at the rate of a quarter ton per acre, he put it right in the row. And it's really doesn't look too bad. And you notice right away how the weeds just have gone, and they're down lower like that because of the fact that the organic matter is actually in the soil instead of just on top. I really love this one here because when you look at it and you just see that that's just a nice row of sweet corn there. But what he did there is actually put the 1X, he stuck that in at the rate of a half ton per acre. And it's really coming along very nicely. So then and this is what we came down here to view, just to see the difference as we look at building the soils and stuff in Ghana and here.
Okay, on this sweet corn right here, it was put on top of the soil and not put in the row at a rate of 1 ton per acre. And you can see the corn looks pretty good, but it's yellowing, so that's an evidence of a nitrogen deficiency.
Yeah, so this part gets really interesting. To this point, we were dealing with just the 1X, and Scott, he keeps playing with his formulas and things. So now we've actually have developed it to where it's twice the potency, and so we have the 2X pellets. And here what they did is just took and broadcast it at the rate of a half a ton per acre, and then tilled it in and planted. Pretty much regular, the way you would grow just regular.
So we have about 15 acres like that, and then
15 rows.
15 rows, that's what I meant,
yeah.
Excuse me. And then when we get down to the last 6 rows, that's when he not only had the half ton per acre rate of the 2X, but then we put in row the 2X prior to planting, and that was 24 days ago. And look at what it looks like today. There's very little yellowing, so there's plenty of nitrogen, and it's extremely healthy. But you know, Mission Resources' dream is to improve the soils of West Africa, where there's no soil health. And if we can take this product and help create nutritious food, it's just a game changer. So
that's right.
I just can't wait to see what happens.